Hello and welcome to this course, Video Editing with Adobe Premiere Pro 2019, Video Editing for Beginners. I've broken this course down into easy to follow steps so it leads you through the editing process. We start by getting ourselves set up and organized. We then have a look at the Premiere Pro interface and start to create a new project. After that, we move on to the core of the course, which of course is the editing and the tools that are available to us. Next, we have a look at the audio component and how we can use that to enhance our video. And finally, we go through the different export settings to finalize our completed video.
Today we have video editing Adobe Premiere Pro 2020. We go to the way to download the course. As you can see, the size of the course is 3 GB.